All right, welcome back to CDL Driving Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a forward stop. This is one of the first parking skills you're going to have to do at your driving test. This skill seems very easy to do, but I promise you, it's kind of hard. Why is it kind of hard? Because a blind spot right in front of your truck. That's what it's to test. It's so it can test how well you can judge the front of your truck to make sure you're not going to hit anything or anybody in front of you. So your goal in this parking skill is going to be to drive your tractor trailer straight forward and stop with the front edge of your bumper right in the middle of a 3-foot square in front of your vehicle. The trick is you have to do it without stopping. You may stop only one time. You have to pull up, stop in the box. There's no rules about how fast you can go, so you can go as fast or as slow as you want to. I advise slow is better. At this point, I'm going to jump in here, I'm going to jump in my tractor, and I'm going to drive forward and perform the forward stop for you. While I'm doing it, I'm going to explain to you the things that I'm thinking about, what I'm taking into consideration in order for me to finish and complete this skill as advised by my CDL examiner and pass this portion of my test. Let's get into it. All right, so now I'm in my vehicle, my seatbelt is on, I have plenty of air in my air tanks. Remember, I have to pull up and I have to land the front end of my bumper in the box, and I can only do it with one stop. You are allowed to look out of the front of the window over your hood. You're also allowed to look outside the side window, whatever gives you your best vantage point. Now, again, you don't have to go fast. You can go nice and slow. There's confusion that says you're not allowed to hit your brakes. No, you can hit your brakes to control your speed. You can only stop once though. You can only stop once. So I'm creeping up, I'm seeing where I am, I'm getting where I want to stop, I'm getting ready to stop, and I hit the brakes right about now. All right, so I have now completely stopped. I'm going to put my vehicle in neutral. I'm going to apply my parking brake. Going to unbuckle my seatbelt and jump out of the vehicle, and hopefully jump out of the vehicle using 3 points of contact, that is. I'm going to use 3 points of contact to get out of my vehicle. And check my results. Yeah, woo! Right where it's supposed to be. Again, it doesn't have to be smack in the middle. It just has to be between the cones or between the lines, depending on what they're using at your test site. This is a successful forward stop. If you find that this video helped you, drop us a like, share it among your friends and family. I'll see you the next time at CDL Driving Academy for more tips.
Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to get your CDL license, you know where to go. Check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com, right over there. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video right over here. So make sure you check that out. But before anything else, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you soon.